Let's go.
And don't have anything to bring to the table. All of them do are fuck and smoke ganja and live and benefit and tell man to come out of them council house. You understand me? And most of the time, some of the time when you see them come down to Jamaica and look, are because no man no want them a foreign.
Okay.
No man no want some of them up here because man there. Roll heap a nice, clean, stiff Jamaican man is here. Them are going like say the Jamaican man them are foreign different from the one them down at Jamaica. Them go down at Jamaica go take a Jamaican one them because the one them down there they're unsuspecting.
So the man them that come up from Jamaica to come here come work. The man them are the same man them from Jamaica who are out there stuck or whatever. Right? So I mean me as a born Jamaican still I kind of find it a different category because I came to Canada early. So alright, let's continue.
Them not have no clue, some of them, but what we really have.
Right, so the unsuspected Jamaican men who get caught up by the 304s with their benefit checks coming to Jamaica.